everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1967 Dodge Dart. Yes, I know it looks like a 69. When the guy did the restoration, he trimmed it out as a 69, guys, but this is actually a 67 Dart. They said it was done just over 10 years ago. A complete Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie Restoration, and gorgeous car, guys. They did a beautiful job restoring this car. It's that factory blue. I can't remember the color they called this in 67, but it is a factory kind of a medium or darker blue metallic. It's got all new legendary black vinyl interior. They put the white GTS stripe on it. And it's as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. It was a rotisserie done car. It's all painted body color underneath. I mean, you literally can put mirrors under it and show it. But killer little car. It's out of West Virginia. Again, very nicely done. It's got a professionally built 360 motor in it. We've got, there's receipts, there's photos of the restoration, all that goes with the car. But really nice car. Hits the road great, too. Nice little cam. It's got a comp cam on it, or in it. You can hear it's got a great sound to it. Chrome and stainless are beautiful. Really nice car. They replaced the bumpers. Again, gorgeous paint, little stone peck there. You wouldn't know this car was just completed 2 hours ago. I mean, it's that nice. They didn't know the miles on it since it was done, but it's only got 61,000 or something original miles on it. But, I mean, it is tight. I guarantee you there are not many miles on this car whatsoever. Just a little dust if you're seeing that. Yeah, this is a very nicely done car. If you're seeing that, it's just a little wax in the cracks there. Put a good coat of wax on it. Pretty car, man. "14-inch rallies all the way around it with the BFGs. Nice and straight, killer stance. Yeah, that is a gorgeous car. Front disc brakes, they've upgraded the power steering too. It's got an upgraded power steering unit. Yeah, this is all, and the receipt goes with it. Professionally built 360 motor. It's got a comp cam, Hypertech pistons, Holley dual feed 4-barrel in it. It's got an Edelbrock Air Gap aluminum intake. I think those are hooker headers. Again, they've upgraded the power steering. Electronic ignition. It's got the chrome air cleaner with the Mopar Performance valve covers, aluminum radiator. It has 727 Torqueflite automatic trans with a Hughes 3000 converter in it. Look how nice that car is. I mean, it is gorgeous. Yeah, very nicely done. And it does have front disc brakes. sport hood. It's got the 360 on there. Can't nitpick the, I bet you those are original, but they're still pretty darn nice. Chrome mirror, new door handles. Again, it's got all new door fuzzies and rubbers on it. Look how clean the door seams are. All new legendary bucket seat with center console interior. New carpet, new sill plates. I mean, look how nice that car is. A little wrinkle in your headliner. Not a big fan of the Grant wheel, but be easy to put a tough wheel or something on it. Again, 61,474. That's supposed to be the right miles. I don't know how many miles are on the Resto, but they said it's not many. It's got a Pioneer sound system with a custom kick panel, speakers, aftermarket tach and gauges. They put a little carbon fiber strip on your center console. Seats are really nice. They're almost bolstered a little bit, it looks like. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4 rear axle with a, I think he said it's a 323 Auburn limited slip rear axle. Jack is in here again. All the paperwork. This is all the photos from the restoration. And again, I mean, it's brand new, guys. That's a beautiful car. Very, very nicely done. And it drives just as good. I mean, it goes down the street great. Again, plenty of power, nothing crazy. Look how nice that thing is underneath. It does have frame connectors. Yeah, somebody spent some money here. This car is very, again, look in the jams. I mean, this car is just gorgeous. Gonna be tough to beat this car for the money, I'll tell you that right now. It's got front seat belts in it. Yeah, they've definitely bolstered those seats in there. There's a little extra padding in them. Get a nasty little cam to it. Runs on pump gas. A little squeak on one of the belts there. All the so the fuel gauge up there works, all gauge up, speed oil works, and then everything else is down there. Tach, all your other gauges, you can see it's holding good oil pressure. Lower motor works, radio works. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.